You know, I think it's been 2 years since we got any measurable snowfall. I look back to last year, I mean, we had essentially nothing, and we're still in a drought. Every time we get a little bit of rain, we hope the pond's going to come up a little bit. It just seems like it never does. If we get a decent spring rain, it may come up a few inches, but then we go through another long period of drought again. And so this week when we got this snowfall, it was a blessing, and it never really got bitter cold. It was kind of a heavy, sticky snow, so it was fairly warm. It's melting pretty good now, and hoping it's going to soak into the ground and stay there for a while and help with our deficit on moisture. But it does present some other challenges where the animals are concerned. You can see the dogs aren't really having any problem with it, but the cattle, it's a little bit more stressful on them, and so we're making sure that they're having plenty of hay and getting their bucket of grain every day like they're used to, and we're hoping that this won't be a one-time event this year, that maybe we could get another nice heavy snow like this that we had this last week, and help knock our deficit down a little bit. I'm not holding out much hope, but going into spring, maybe we'll get some nice soaker rains and get the ground saturated and get our ponds built back up again, and finally put this drought in the rearview mirror. So this is a little short video, about 10 or 12 minutes of clips that we shot after the snowfall had ended the other day. And thanks for watching, and subscribe if you would. Thank you. Yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention. Since the snow ended a couple of days ago, it took me a while to set the time aside to put this video together, and in the meantime, one of our older crazy cows had a calf last night. So she's pretty protective. She won't let you get very close to the calf. So when I can get some video on it, I'll put a video together and put it up for you to see. Again, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you could.